Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping the phone from receiving network signals so others see it as not reachable. Once done, swipe down or up to open Control Center and tap Airplane Mode. If you prefer selective isolation, go to Settings Cellular and turn off cellular data, then Settings Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to disable them. Make sure you keep access to emergency services in mind. Airplane Mode blocks everything, so only use it when you intend to be fully unreachable. Once your radios are off, add software-level silence to reinforce not reachable status. Open Settings Focus and enable Do Not Disturb, setting allowed notifications to none so calls and alerts won't surface. Make sure to toggle Settings Phone Silence Unknown Callers to send unknown numbers straight to voicemail. If specific people could still contact you, open their contact card and choose Block This Caller. These steps prevent rings and pop-ups, even if some services still try to connect. To finish, stop app-level reachability. Go to Settings Messages and toggle off iMessage, then Settings FaceTime and turn that off too so Apple services show you as unreachable. If you need absolute isolation, remove the physical SIM or disable the eSIM in Settings Cellular. Once done, restart the iPhone to ensure changes take effect. If someone still reaches you, make sure the carrier isn't forwarding calls. Check for active call forwarding and temporarily re-enable services, one at a time to identify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.